Handling color in CorelDraw is an important and often a painstaking work. The Replace Colors plugin from the Reproscripts core library allows you to quickly and efficiently perform such operations on all pages of your document at once. When launched, the plugin analyzes and groups the colors present in the document into a unified list. By clicking on the Target Color button, you can select a new color for replacement using the standard CorelDraw color panel. Analysis of even complex documents with thousands of objects takes just several seconds. If the colors are not grouped, the color will be replaced according to its exact shade. It is often more convenient to replace all shades of the same color at once. The color grouping checkbox allows you to combine the shades of the same color or see their complete list. Check the grouping checkbox and select a new color. All shades will be automatically recalculated and replaced in the document. Any color swap operations are reversible and can be undone by the standard command. The conversion menu at the top of the colors list contains commands that allow you to change all the colors in the list at once, change the color model, adjust the brightness, and limit the shades. For example, by converting all colors to grayscale, you can turn the entire document in a few clicks into shades of black. You can also consistently adjust the brightness, hue, and color saturation for all colors. It is possible to use this plugin in many ways. For instance, you can easily leave just one color in a document. To do this, select the duotone option in the Convert to menu and specify the desired color into which all other colors of the document will be converted. This single color, of course, can easily be replaced with another. In addition to vector objects, the plugin allows you to change color models for images as well. All images on all pages of a document can be changed, for example, into CMYK. Black and white and duotone images can be processed in a special way. Spot colors present in them can be replaced with others as for any vector objects. Images can also be easily converted to shades of gray. The plugin allows rounding of color shades to fixed values, thereby reducing their number in the document. This can be very useful when converting multicolor images for printing with spot colors, and also after performing image tracing. Details and other plugins are available at Reproscripts.com.